So this is my first book called Love Among the Haystacks, and it's about this it's a love story that contains four main characters, and the first character is Joyfrey, the older brother, and his lover Lydia, who was a tramp's wife, and the tramp treated her badly. And the other two people were the younger brother, who was called Morris, and his lover Pola. Pola was a German. So first of all, Pola fell in love with Morris at the right beginning of the story. They sometimes stay at the hayfield together at night. They talk a line with each other with tenderness. And one day they were in a hayfield for an exciting horse ride. The sky suddenly rained, and they went to cover this. They went to cover the haystack. While they're on the top of the haystack, the ladder just fell down, and they were trapped. At the same time, Morris' older brother Joyfrey arrived to help. But after Joyfrey noticed that the couples were staying together, he decided to went back to the shed. During his way to the shed, he met the girl Lydia, who he and his family had met in the morning. That she asked her husband to work, but angrily, and she didn't eat anything, so she's hungry. Lydia treated her husband really nice and full of responsibility, but her husband was like not responsible at all. So after that, she was finding in the field, and she was very cold in the rain. So Joyfrey took her to the shed and warmed her up. They fell in love with each other at the night. In the end, they decided to go to Canada together. In addition, at the dark night, Paula and Morris thought the ladder was down, but after they woke up in the morning, they saw the ladder was just right in the right place, as it should be. So Morris Paula was angry at Morris that he cheated her, but after Joyfrey told the truth, they got back to each other again. They were soon engaged. So I think I would recommend this book because this book describes characters' feeling really well, which the readers can understand that the feelings of characters through the author's words. And that's it.